Take a ride in the 2019 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, rear step bumper, tow hitch, bed liner, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.